Now, you guys don't realize what you're about to witness. This is how you can find your first winning digital product using the power of AI and achieve your first $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, or even $50,000 a month. Now, if you're watching this video sat there thinking this sounds too good to be true because it sounds amazing, I'm going to be showing you all of the proof based on me using the same AI strategy to finding $10,000 a month digital products. I don't know what to say to you guys. It's impossible not to find a winning product by doing this. And because of that, this is going to be the only digital product research method that you're going to need in 2025. Now, because I appreciate you guys watching this video and giving me your time, I'm going to give you 500 winning digital products. You heard me right. I'm going to give you 500 digital product ideas once this video hits 500 likes. So once we've hit that like goal, you'll see a Google Drive link in the description and in the pinned comment for you to access. So here's one of the stores that we're running that's a digital product, and you can see in the last 6 months we've done around about £64,000, which in dollars is around about 80 to 90. It might even be at this conversion rate $100,000. So if you average that out over the 6 months, we've hit 10k a month easily, and the majority of this is profit. I would say around about 50 upwards percentage of this is profit margin. Now you can tell it's a digital product because you can see at the end of the total sales by product has digital at the end, so you know it's a digital product. You can see our average order value was around about $30, so you can charge that much money for a digital product. I know a lot of you guys that might be watching this might be Etsy sellers. That's why I prefer selling my digital products actually on Shopify, because I can get away with charging really good margins. You can see the customer conversion rate is really healthy at 3.4%, and you can see the orders have been fulfilled, so you know it's a real store and there's no BS draft orders. So there's the proof, guys, me showing you that I actually know what I'm talking about, and we're using this method every single day to add new digital products to our store to make money with. I've got a huge announcement that you don't want to miss. Now, don't worry, I've got nothing to sell to you. This is going to be a completely free opportunity that I can promise you don't want to miss out on. Now, this huge announcement is the Ecom King Bootcamp for 2025. Now, if you don't know what the bootcamp is, it's an event that I ran last year where I was mentoring 1,000 people and I gave away over $25,000 in cash prizes. Now, if we talk about the results that the students in the bootcamp got last year, this is where things get crazy. 7 of them hit $100,000 with their store, and over 100 of them hit their first $1,000 with their Shopify dropshipping stores. Now, basically, I'm going to be running the Ecom King Bootcamp again in the next coming weeks. So this is what I'm saying. You do not want to miss this out because it's going to be restricted to just 1,000 people. Now, we're going to be doing cash prizes again this year, and we're going to be giving away a minimum of $25,000 divided and split it up to different winners. We're going to be dropping more in-depth video lessons this time that are going to be longer than before, so they're going to be more episodes and the duration are going to be longer. We're going to be doing weekly live calls that are going to be an hour long, so you can learn from me and you can ask your questions. Now, I want to say this again and make it very clear. It's completely free to participate inside of the bootcamp. Now, if you're serious about participating in the Ecom King Bootcamp, you can join the waitlist below, or you can access the waitlist in the Ecom King Vault. But what I will say is, do not sign up unless you're serious about the bootcamp. So the first thing that I need you guys to do is to head over to the ecomking.ai. Now, it's completely free to use the ecomking.ai. You don't even need a credit card. You just need to sign up with your email and create a password, and you get to use it. Now, the benefit of using the ecomking.ai is it's a custom LLM. So basically, it's been designed to understand how dropshipping digital products work better than any other LLM. So once you've come here, guys, you're going to see open a new chat. Now, what you're going to put in the text bar is help me find a winning digital product based on the latest trends. Now, before we send it to the LLM, we need to go over to Google Trends, go to where it says trending now, change it to the past 7 days, change the location to the United States. You're not going to touch the rest of the filters. The only one you're going to change is from relevance to search volume. Then you're going to copy the link and you're going to add it at the end, and then you're going to send it to the Ecom King LLM. So once you've done that, it's going to reply back and give you a product idea. So it's giving me Notion Habit Goal Tracker template. Now, the most powerful thing about the Ecom King AI is it's already got a structure in place to validate products. So you can see here, it's gone over to TikTok and had a look at the view count. It's gone over to Pinterest to see how well the trend's doing. So it already has a framework in mind, so you don't have to do any of the hard work. Now, although this is great, we're actually going to reply back to this and say, give me 10 ideas. Now, just like that, guys, it's given me a list of 10 ideas based on the structure that the Ecom King LLM already has built in, and plus the Google Trends recent search volume. So now what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna copy this. So in the top right, there's a copy button. You're gonna copy it. Now you're gonna come over to this Google Docs sheet that's gonna contain a prompt that you're going to get access to once we hit 250 likes on this video, and you're going to paste it at the end. So at the end, you're going to paste it, and you're gonna see here, it's got the intro and then your ideas. Now, once you've pasted that at the end, this is where things get crazy if they haven't already got crazy enough for you guys. Which is, we're going to head over to a company called Abacus.ai. Now, you're going to sign up to Abacus.ai, so make sure you use the link in the description for the best deal. Now, I think it's like $8 or $10, guys. At $8 or $10, trust me, it's worth it when you see what I'm about to show you. Now, if you don't want to pay $8 or $10 for Abacus AI, which I believe you should because it's the best option, you can use a company called Manus. Now, I believe that Manus will give you free credits if you sign up using an email or Gmail, and you just need enough credits to run it once. Now, if you are going to be using Abacus AI, you're going to come over to where it says Deep Agent, and then you're going to see describe what you want me to get done. So what you're going to do is you're going to paste in everything you've got in this sheet. So you're going to copy all of this. You're then going to paste it in this box and click send. Now, if you're going to be using Manus AI, you're going to do the exact same thing, paste it here, and then click send. Then you're going to see it reply saying, I'll help you do some research to finding digital products ideas, and then it's going to give you 3 to 4 questions. Now, I've already given you the follow-up prompt. So you can see here, prompt 2, you're going to copy this, and you're going to click paste. So that answers those 4 questions for you. Now, this is where things get crazy. You can now see it says researching digital product examples and saving findings. Now, in the top right, you're going to see computer and you're going to hit show. Once you do that, you can see the virtual machine that it's running doing the tasks. So it's got a virtual machine that's going to go out there and perform all the tasks that are necessary to get us the best information possible. You can see now it's going through the 10 ideas that the Ecom King AI gave me, and it's going to perform even more research tasks. Now, if you're using Manus AI, you're going to get the same response, and once it performs the task, you're going to see here, thanks for clarifying, I'm now going to do X, Y, and Z. And also here at the bottom, it also shows you the tasks that it's doing. And if you click the view Manus computer, you can actually see Manus's computer as well going out there and performing the task. Now, you can even take control by clicking this button. Now, I only use this if it gets stuck on a capture form. Sometimes it gets stuck on a capture form, so I'll manually do it for it. If not, I'll just let it crack on. But you can see, you can actually see it doing live tasks as well. Now, at this stage, guys, I've got some good news for you. This is where you sit back, relax, and you wait for this to do the magic. Now, this can take around about 20 to 30 minutes, but honestly, guys, you're going to be blown away once you see what happens. So guys, before we move on with how to find winning digital products using the power of AI, I wanted to show you this method. Now, this method is one of the oldest methods in the book, but it still works like golden right now. Now, it's the AdSpy method, but now with AI in the mix and AI being integrated into AdSpy tools, it's a complete game changer. Now, an AdSpy tool, for those that don't understand what it is, it's basically the Facebook ads library where you can see everyone's ads being ran, but it's on steroids because you can filter it by all of these different filters that you can't use on the ads library. Now, the reason why this is so powerful is because if you can see people's ads being ran and you can see how many views they have, how much money they've spent, how long has it been running for, and all the other information, that is a game changer, because instead of you guessing whether or not those ads are doing well, it will tell you on the screen whether or not it's doing well. Now, the way we can apply this to digital products is we can change the call to action to download, which means it's clearly a digital product. We can change the e-commerce platforms, because I know people that sell digital products don't just sell them on Shopify, they sell them on WooCommerce, different stuff like cart functionality. That way, it means they have some form of checkout. That way, then we can filter it by amount of spend, and we can see here loads of digital products being advertised with 1.4 million views, $12,000 being spent on it, $11,000. We've got these drone LUTs down here. So the point that I'm trying to make is we're seeing real products that are digital products being ran on Facebook in live time, and people clearly have confidence in these products because they're spending this amount of money with this amount of views. Now, if I click on this ad, this is where things get crazy. I can go to similar products. This AI tool will now show me similar ads that are digital products that are now being ran. So it won't just show me this one, it'll show me anything else that is related to it. So I can find even more digital products just by using their AI feature. Or I can click the find similar button, and then it uses AI again to find even more similar ads. Now, what I also can do, guys, is I can click on their destination link, so it shows me what their website is, and it's clearly a digital product. And what I can also do, guys, is look at the information and see everything about the ad. I can also see all the information about the shop. So this is telling me it's a Shopify store, which is really good to know. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you guys this is because I'd be doing a disservice if I didn't. Although it is one of the old school methods, with the power of AI now being integrated with an ad spy tool with these crazy features, it is a complete game changer. And it's the same method that 6, 7, and 8 and 9 figure e-commerce people are still using. Now, my favorite ad spy tool is Minea, and that's why I'm showing it you. And if you want to get the best rate with a coupon code, make sure you check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Now, with that being said, guys, let's get back into the next part of the video. So guys, after around about 30 minutes, this is the kind of response and value that you can get from these agents. Now, you can see here, if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see here, view all files in the task. So these are all the tasks that it's performed, and you can now see that it's done all of the additional stuff. So it's found me additional digital product ideas apart from the 10 that the Ecom King AI gave me. It's also gone through the existing 10 product ideas that I had. So what we can do, guys, is we can download these. So you just hit the download button and it will save it to your computer. So it's created me a Google Sheets, which I'll be showing you in a minute. It's created me a PDF. So we're going to download both PDFs and the Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet where it goes over the existing product ideas that the Ecom King AI gave me. So you can see here, this is the research that it did on the products that the Ecom King found me. So you can see product 1, product 2, product 3, and it goes over all the information like examples and what people are doing, what's the average price these are selling for. So you can see all that information being given on the sheet. So the whole point here, guys, is it gives you extra information and validation on those existing 10 products. And you can see here the link. So if I click this little URL, you're going to see that it opens up Etsy for me. So you can see that these URLs, guys, are all usable. So I can click it and it opens it all up for me. Then it's given me another PDF with additional trending digital product ideas. So you can see here it's given me even more comprehensive brain notion template, financial independence calculator. So it's given me loads and loads of more ideas. Now, if the PDF wasn't already crazy for you guys, check this out. So if we go over to Google Sheets, then you go over to File and you click Import. You then go to Upload, and then you upload the XLS file that it gave you. You click Open. You're going to see here that it says Replace Spreadsheet, Import Data. Now, it's going to open it up like this, which is ugly and not very usable. And that's why you're going to use the Gemini AI feature that says Convert to the Table. And just like that, guys, look at the magic appear. This is insane. I don't know what to say to you guys. It's now given me a complete table with product name, product solves, format, unique twist, profit potential, marketplace examples, and all of the relevant links here for me to look at. It's even labeled the ideal source from original to research example to additional research. So these are the original products. These are the research that it did on those products. And then these are the additional products that it found me. So guys, I don't know what to tell you, but this is insane. The fact that you can do this and have all this information given to you on a plate like I've just shown you, like, it's impossible not to find a winning product by doing this. Now, if we want to take things to another level, guys, let's go back to the ecomking.ai and we're going to upload the file that we got. So we can go to where it says additional products or existing products, either one. So I'm going to go for the additional products first. You're going to see that the Ecom King AI is document previewing. It scanned the document. We're going to use the full document. And now the Ecom King AI has analyzed this whole document. And now we're going to ask it, find me the FB ads library for these products. And just like that, guys, we've got our response, and you can see it's given me the list of the 10 products that it gave me. It gave me the ads library link, so you can see ad library link, the link for it. It tells me how many active ads are being ran. So you can see here, if we scroll down, how many active ads are there? 1. How many active ads? There's 2. So it even goes out there and finds me all of the ads that are running on the ads library, just in case we're interested in finding ads that we can reference for our own store. So if we want to use one of these products, but we want to know what ads are working, are they image, are they video, this is giving me the info. Now to finish it off, we're going to upload the next document. So we uploaded the additional document here. We're now going to upload the original document, and I've put, now based on these 2 lists, pick the digital product that has the best chance of success. Now what's going to happen is the Ecom King AI is going to go through both of these lists, go through all of the information, and then it's going to choose which product or which products out of the top 3 out of them are the best to try and sell. Now, just like this, guys, the responses here, based on our integrated view of both PDF lists, we would say the clear winner is the Small Business Digital Marketing Kit. Why? Active Scaling 2 Ads Campaign. So it goes and gives you the reason why it's also the best to sell. So instead of you emotionally sitting there thinking, oh, I don't know which one to sell, I'm too emotional, I'm not going to think about it. Get the Ecom King AI to pick it for you, because it's going to pick based on logic, not emotion. And just like that, guys, you have got yourself a winning digital product idea that you can start selling. Now, you guys must be on the edge of your seat after showing you all of that insane, crazy value. If you haven't already been wowed, let me know in the comment section below. But that's how you do it, guys. It's that simple. AI is a game changer right now. No one else is doing it like I've just showed you. So make sure you take advantage of it. Now, if you're sat there thinking, well, I don't know how to make a digital product, I don't know how to sell it, I don't know how to promote it, go and watch my free digital product course. It's over an hour long, and I teach you how to make digital products. I also teach you how to advertise them. This video was purely to show you how you can find the winning digital product using the power of AI. With that being said, guys, make sure you smash that like button. I appreciate your time. Don't forget to hit the like goal, and let me know if this wowed you off your seat.